You get 100 emails a day. Sorting them takes forever. But what if an AI could read every message, know exactly what it's about, and tell you where it needs to go? That's what LLM-based intent classification can do. Intent classification is just figuring out what the sender wants. Is this a support request? A sales lead? A bug report? Or maybe just spam? Once you know the intent, you can automatically tag the email, route it to the right folder, and even set a priority. Traditional rules-based systems fail because emails are messy. They use slang, abbreviations, and context. LLMs understand nuance. You just describe the categories in plain English, and the model handles the rest. No need to write complex regex or keyword lists. Here's a simple example. You get an email saying my invoice is wrong. Please fix it urgently. The model reads it and classifies it as billing, high priority, and routes it to the accounts team. Or an email that says, interested in your services for our project, becomes a sales lead, priority high, and gets forwarded to sales. Implementation is straightforward. You connect your email inbox to an automation tool like Zapier or Make. It sends the email body to an LLM API like ChatGPT with a prompt that lists your categories. The model returns the category and priority. Then you use that output to tag, move, or forward the email. With just a few lines of setup, you can cut email triage time by 80% and never miss an important message again. Start small with a few categories, test on real emails, and expand. Your future self will thank you.